Privacy protection **. Sensi won't sell your personal information to third parties. Easy DIY installation. Use the built-in level, illuminated easy-click terminals and step-by-step app instructions for a quick installation. Works with the HVAC equipment found in most homes. Common wire is required. Save about 23% on HVAC energy *. The Energy Star certified Sensi Smart Thermostat can help you save energy with features like flexible scheduling, remote access and usage reports. Sleek, modern design. The large color display features easy-to-read temperatures and intuitive menus. Available in black, white and silver to complement your home decor. Control from anywhere. Remotely control your home comfort from your smartphone or tablet using the Sensi mobile app for Android and iOS devices. Smart maintenance. Sensi can help monitor the performance and efficiency of your HVAC system by delivering important usage notifications, alerts about your equipment, and maintenance reminders like filter replacement. Backed by HVAC expertise. More than 100 years of experience with HVAC systems went into the development of Sensi. Top reviews from the United States. Best Wi-Fi thermostat on the market. I now own 5 of these. 2 are installed in a traditional heat pump and the setup and use couldn't be easier. 2 are installed in heat-only zones with an oil burner. 1 is installed in a hybrid zone with oil heat baseboards and separate AC system. All work well with no problems. Great features such as temperature adjust. If you think the room temp differs from the thermostat temp, floor and ceiling for AC and heat, Siri integration inside of your Wi-Fi zone and lots of configuration flexibility. There are many configuration options for equipment and all 3 use cases are easily handled. Before connecting power, just make sure you understand the power source configuration, as I have 3 where I had to cut the RC to RH jumper, due to separate power source and heat RH source, and 2 where I left the jumper in place, the heat pump setup. Once you do this, the remaining configuration is done in equipment setup screen on the device. You won't be disappointed with this device.